is gonna be so funny, bro. Bro, if we take this guy, I'm gonna laugh. Okay, his head isn't there no more.
He doesn't want to look.
Oh, that was good.
Hey, we get 6 minutes, huh?
Yeah, bro, just use them wisely.
Oh, shit. See that? Oh, shit. God, he's blowing me. Fucking strong, bro.
Okay, bro, let's go. What's everybody doing? What's everybody doing? What's everybody doing? Oh, where's Alan? I heard that gun. Where he stay? Hey!
Hit! Moving.
Crossing. Bro, I'm gonna rush that guy. You like? Straight to blue house. Nah. Fucker, go, bro, go! Where he stay? Dead, he's down. Yeah. Hey! Right in my leg.
Hurry up.
He's shooting right through this thing, yeah, this crap.
Coming to the Smith right up.
Yeah. I wish. I got blasted in the leg. Feels pretty good though.
Bro.
Oh fuck.
Don't tease.
Watch your back, yeah.
He's shooting that square right there. Hit!
Told you, bro, right through the crack. Watch your back, yeah. Hug that wall. Fuck that.
Hey, he's shooting up higher, bro.
Huh?
This crack right there, coming up higher, bro.
What?
Coming up high.
Bro, he's right in the front door.
He's around the front door.
Hey, if you can't feel him hit you, maybe you just go without the bolt cap. You're getting hit in the top of the head. Alright.
I don't see no body, bro.
Huh? I hit you in the top of the head last game. Quit cheating. Nobody said that?
I can't see no body, bro.
I want to move across, but shit.
It's gonna be hard.
What do you see?
I can't see nothing from this spot. Nothing at all. I want to go this way. That's gonna be hard.
Skinnies, you have 1 minute left of unlimited respawn. 1 minute left.
Bruh.
No, one guy going in, left side. One guy in now.
Kev. I'm coming. Oh, it got quiet all of a sudden.
30 seconds left of unlimited respawn.
What do you see? What do you see? Hurry up, 30 seconds.
No more unlimited respawn. Rangers can come out of the building if they want. Respawn's over. The guy with the yellow map shield, you better take that off the field. If not, you're going to sit out. No shields allowed.
I can't see nothing from here. See him, yeah, doghouse.
Doghouse. We got him.
Watch through the crap. If you can, go down below the window. I got you, go. Fine. There might be somebody guy right there on the back. Wait, are you friendly? Shit. Guy right in the bathroom, I think. Watch that window, yeah? Is there a crack?
Friendly.
I think so.
Friendly.
He don't look like a ref.
Friendly. He's a friendly.
I got the window. No. Push up with him. Go at them.
Can you go over to that window right there? There's a peek right there. Peek in.
Friendly. Unless you're a ranger.
Got him.
Game. What? I don't know, they called game.
Oh, that guy would have got it.